Hello and welcome to another video. I am Ezekielo. Over a year ago, I did an unboxing and sound test of the Dockin D Fine, and I termed it one of the best budget portable speakers you can buy for the money. So today I have with me a successor. Yep, this is the Dockin D Fine Plus. I will be doing an unboxing and sound test. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Just take this off. Okay, there we go. Take this away. Let me turn it to the side so you all can see this. Okay, we have an instruction notice here. Let me put that aside, and then okay, so here we have the instruction manual. Let me put that aside as well. Voila, here we go. Let me take this off, put that aside, take this off as well. Here is the speaker. Let me put that aside and see what else we have in the box. And then you have your charging adapter here. Let me put that down as well. And then okay, you've got your 3-pin plug, and then you've also got a 2-pin plug as well, depending on your region, so you can choose which one is suitable for your region. And then you've got your 3.5mm auxiliary cable. And I think that's pretty much all that's here. And yep, so that's pretty much all that's in the box. Let me take that aside. And then here is the speaker itself. Let me take it out. There we go. Okay, yep, so this is the Dockin D Fine Plus. The first thing I noticed is that the button colors on the top have changed. On the older Dockin D Fine, the buttons were silver in color. Now it's pure black. It's black color. You've still got NFC. It's equipped with NFC, so you can pair it up with NFC enabled devices, which is really good. So you still have your volume rocker buttons here. You have your Bluetooth connect button, and then you've got your power switch. You have your Dockin logo at the front as well. It's still got the 2 metal grills which were on the older Dockin D Fine, one at the front and one at the rear. The sides are made of this rubbery material. The base still has the 2 rubber grips. Let me open up the flap so that I can show you all the ports. You've got your standard USB port for charging devices. You've got your DC port here, and then you've got your auxiliary port as well, and then you've got the service port. Yep, so that's pretty much it about the design. Here are some improvements which the Dockin D Fine Plus has over the older Dockin D Fine. First of all, you have the stereo link function, which means you can now pair up 2 Dockin D Fine Plus speakers for a more immersive experience. And now you have a larger battery. On the Dockin D Fine Plus, you get 14 hours battery life, as opposed to the 10 hours on the Dockin D Fine. And now finally, the Dockin D Fine Plus is equipped with aptX technology, which the older generation did not have. You still have your 4 active drivers. You've got 2 bass enhancing radiators, and then you've got your 2-way stereo sound, and it's still got the power bank which the older Dockin D Fine had. As always, next we have the sound test, so please put on your headphones as this is going to be a binaural recording. I have my binaural recording mics here, so let's test this quickly and see how it sounds. Well, so there you have it, the sound test of the Dockin D Fine Plus. Similar to the previous generation, it's like the treble on this is a little bit too harsh at max volumes. The vocals seem pretty crisp and clear with good stereo separation. The bass on this sounds pretty natural, but it's like there is slight droning. That's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing this kind of slight droning. A full review is coming very soon, so make sure you all stay tuned for that. Click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss that video. Well, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and sound impressions of the Dockin D Fine Plus. Thanks so much for watching. As always, feel free to check out other gadget recommendations and reviews on this channel. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.